Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Protech Malibu here with me for a quick maintenance video. But as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Come on, guys, it's easy. You cannot miss that, and you can do it. This is a pretty cool one. 100% love this guy. Blacked out Warncliffe Blade 20 CV Protech Malibu in the house, ready for a little bit. Of maintenance tune-up. Let's see what we can do. Can we disassemble this guy? I'm assuming that he's actually not a Torx. This is an Allen key. These are Torx, and they look kind of like a T6 for the stop pin. Yeah, and kind of like what is this? A little bit of play. There's a little bit of play, maybe like this fella. Not this one. All right. I am not sure because actually works with a T6. I don't want to mess up anything, but that definitely is not a Torx. Anyways, the screws here, come on guys, that's not a Torx. It works, but it's not. But look at the play that's here. So this is a 1.5. This is the 2, which is the Sebenza one, and definitely it's bigger. So, what should I do? I'll go with this. Here we go. So this is this guy with some red Loctite. And that's the second one, which is out. There you go. Let's just break the detent there. Also have the, obviously, the stop pin, which needs to be taken apart with the T6. As we said, that's definitely a T6, and it's definitely spinning. So I'm gonna need another T6, which I assume is this fella, right? So let's go. Here you are. And the second one is there, so this pops out like so, and like that. These look like skiff bearings. So we got the blade, the stop pin can stay there. That's the spring. We're gonna need some rubbing alcohol swabs like these guys to clean these bearings for sure. The gunk going on over here for sure. Yeah, blade is done. Pretty good. Actually, I'm cleaning up the blade already. There you go. Then approaching the scales. Inside, these are nice aluminum scale. That's the button lock that just came out. Screw, it's there. For the stop pin, this is the button, which we're gonna clean nicely. you don't want you want a dry button, because I noticed that if you lube it up, if some lube goes there, it might cause some stickiness. That's clean. This also clean. With some green gunk. Pivot also clean. Stop pin clean. This is fine. Let's just go into the crevices there, like so. And the inside fake backspacer is there. So we are good to go, guys. So that's done. I'm gonna do the bearing first with a little bit, like 3 drops of nano oil. Then the spring goes there. Then the button, it just goes there. Then you get the blade, which gets here. And then you redo the thing. This guy has to be like so. Here we go. And then bearing in place, another like 1, 2, and 3 drops. So that is done. Then we can just sandwich the scale back, making sure that the button stays in place. And actually, no. This guy actually has to be like so. So, okay. So just hold it there. And like so. All right. And then it's pretty straightforward. Just keep everything pinched. You grab, so this goes here. That was this fella right over here, which I'm gonna use my hands to line up. There you go. So just to have the screw right in place, then we're gonna tighten them up. So now we have just the scales like in place so that the button doesn't go anywhere, like so, right? This fella, you know, I'm gonna use my hands like that. We're gonna tighten that in a bit. Button is all right. This fella is in. There you go. So that is done. Then we're gonna need to tighten these fellas here on the back. Not too tight because they are just screwing in directly into the frame. And then back with the T6. Okay, and right over here, grab the 2, because remember this thing was spinning. So one on the side, one on the other side, like so. Just tighten. Don't over tighten, just tight. There you go. This thing is very nice. I really appreciate the action. Let me just see if I can do maybe a little bit less, keeping the blade centered. Yeah. Ooh. Very. Oh, now we are in business, guys. Look at this. Oof, oof, oof. Lovely. There you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned.